The best way to learn is by doing. Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, my name is Martin, and in this video, we will focus on how to take advantage of SAP's purchasing contract types, a very underutilized feature. When used effectively, outline agreements can give organizations real-time access to contract information, such as terms, conditions, and obligations, empowering them to make better educated sourcing decisions. Christy, can you tell us a little bit more about what SAP calls outline agreements?
Sure, Martin. Contracts, which are part of outline agreements, break down into two main categories, and we're going to take a look at both today. Contracts are a very effective strategic sourcing tool available to us in SAP when correctly utilized. They are part of this family of features called outline agreements, and they offer not only tracking, but also a great deal of flexibility and automation when they reflect our sourcing strategy. In this demonstration, I'm going to focus on three key things: what the two primary contract types are and the kinds of scenarios that fit each, where we maintain key data in the contract, and the importance of differentiating where it matters. For example, if you have a pre-negotiated price, specific lead times, or specific terms. How to invoke the contract into the planning process via the use of the source list. Okay, let's talk a little bit about contracts and the different kinds of contracts that are available in SAP. And today we're talking specifically around procurement contracts, so we're going to go into the logistics segment of our SAP menu, down to materials management, into purchasing, and what we're looking for here is something called outline agreements. So there are a couple of different kinds of outline agreements available to us in SAP. You can see them listed here. There are contracts, and then there are scheduling agreements. Today we're going to talk about contracts, and within contracts there are two different kinds. The first is a value contract, and the second is a quantity contract.